body any entina ebedi Ghana nkomo sanso ena yebedi ye ho so enkomo abibia meka mesi ebetina efide so anaso program so a e wo se osua bibi e wo se onye bibi frame enye sebio TV no na wo hwe na star if you say TV is all about educating, entertaining and informing. You can inform na wo se wo TV bi say say na ekoso ye na your body ekoso the road ya kire at the same time wo hwe TV a e wo say etimi etufu wonya bibi afutu sem wonya bibi e de bo won tama no educative ena go nipa e kire wo yes oba ye die ho a esi TV e kire nti ye betina se a obenya kire e de fi program so sanso ena wadaro ma eni jinso ewo entertaining etini nyina no ya kabom yes television nti e wo say wonya wo de efi eni kwan say wo hwe TV a na be hwe dan ya we ena dan ya wo hwe we ena wo sha carry de bi nyano kwa ne nya wo say wonya bibi e de fi nti anopai sebio wo hu se me wigi ya ne mesan de ashabe na wo say wo say you enya no kwa na obisi ade Ghana nkomo yebedi ubenya Ghana de ekoso eno so ye de be ma na ansana no wadaroma because say ye live on Facebook Koowaa TVGH sounds ye live on YouTube Koowaa TV Sam Darko's initiative so no oba you stream live ho nti we dey an say we subscribe to your channel na wa like your page no na wa comment na wa share na afofo nso enye bi a share ene efi sabre ekwese na wo hwebebo ne ye fasida emfama yaboafo yaboafo a wonu mumre enkankane odifo ewiemfo ba Samson Kwaku Yeboa odifo ewo Japeku ye starting fisha beye enum ni no okraye mu onka se wa brenda koprada enti me kotena fie next month meba me kotena fie next year meba se wo hyasie wogina mu a continuously ebo eye edwumakuo yi chese ebo programming ho eka die ebedi die ebenom die ebehye ni nyina no odifo ekwaye mu a na die aseda ni ni kwanse ye de ma aseda chechenche aseda chese esosene Ghana nyina eno ena no pay odifo yomfo ba Samson Kwaku Yeboa me de ma wo oso odi hye bia na adwene mo ka no oye ni no ma basa emobrowa enyanka ekrafo papa se nyina yesi no nti yentutu meka na ye mra Japekrom ne be pie mo Japekrom a odne dru be kan ma yare sai ye dia ye didio mu ye ntade hye su no mu bibia mu bronya bebe ene amanfo ato edi mo am bedi di peche mo am be hye ntade peche mo ache so dokodoko de mbedi ni benom ne peche mo ko Japekrom ne number ene that screen so no fa na woni no entwetwe nkomo se fata se bi eso se bi enya ado wontimi nko na baby awo no e wo se wo ba ho na obeye waduma waye crowd se obeye ne sa pepepe e de amawo enti frɛ na homachofo na e da screen so no na woni no entwetwe nkomo mo amofrɛ line no pamachowa munjai line no efrɛ mo amofrɛ line no munjai frɛ na yenya adwuma yewi a ne ye frɛ wona se wamfa enfrɛ yewi a na wafrɛ wadaroma enano pay ye first day to sumi no emfa ema eye Nisak professional painting for Nisak professional painting or so person we painter papa obese we painter papa wo dia ne say obe frɛ no o frɛ na obe ma wo entity say 6 months say 1 year say 4 months wo dia ne say be a son say be a nyaado obe frɛ no obe ma wo sa entity ni nyina na wo so ye painter papa what to fie warranted die o shop opobi amateur designs e wo for the amawa frɛ no Nisak professional painting say one be those decorations ni nyina e the amount ama won so crab any etime agi en just say in delay crab frɛ no de bia meka me so what fa akwa what wade so ye wanuam bibre ho no ma se bia so se bia nya do wo mote ho a wo moni da so nyina ne se me braba be fama kwa abruchi me sisa ba be fama kwa abruchi e na me yank be fama kwa abruchi e na se ne se munya na wo so time bibi yo don't waste your time Ti se bro nya na baby ka pe bibi yo ya enka sa break wo nya kakra bro nya beba ma me kwansi botoi matia no na makani na e de atwa manumi start ya cho start from January and won so no wo start ya e na wo bedu baby start January minya kwansi mi da shame minya 20 mi da shame minya 100 mi da shame mi tususu ma tususu mi mo nse me konko no mu aye du aya twetwe enya kwaya adoma December na say me twa no me fie go ni me di ni peche nti won say December me kire no money bremia wa na ha ho ye no na de odudu die odudu die we nam odudu die yesi what ya say ene yensu ya tue di susu yesi ye fa ntata de mo no hye ye bebo repeat sa na du bronya yensu ye nya bi aya adoye enti wo so start one start ya ono si wara Felisak na start na jai say wo twa maame wo bra wo sister the say da bia wo si fa akosa ye kwaja ye kwaja so they also want start here ye kwaja ye ko o ti ase e ma ni yo ba me come na so ye kwaja oh bi hu ye na ya lunch Bugatti na say e ba ni say na refi say na ye sha atare repeat sa na ye ntomo no da bia dinye discount to susu. Anyway, Mr. number and that screen or no 85 now when in sack and to chunk over wow. What it? Maybe. I don't pay your live on Facebook, Mo TV GH, live on YouTube, Mo TV, some Darkos Initiative, some Darkos TV, so no, YouTube, Fred, and I don't pay the big Ghana come on. His Excellency, former President of the Republic of Ghana. Flag bearer of the National Democratic Congress amanyuko kese no oguso apraboso a na oguso ekasa na sebi eson sebi enya ado odi eyekosa mako enum o se auto ede ama Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia Vice President and then of course the flag bearer elect for the New Patriotic Party amanyuko kese no say pape brabe answer sa question we nyina na bra sebi eson sebi enya ado ono na o ti abenya kese no so na ne vice any yura emisanta no wo de eye question makoma 170 I stand to be corrected e de ma emisanta the late na me fa ne kra isi say o answer nti ene won so question makoma enu no na wo so e de amount je won so yura ba o mi abre na won so be answer those questions no enyina you know and ankofo bi kekan say papa aden sabre ya ye dru eya abato ye wie 7 December ya bawie yam na make me pegidi bia me pegidi bia yam na make amanfo no say sabre we ya ye dru pempen so tawi a obi adi na ni so ade hu eguo meye we wo de obda so bisa kwesa sa kwesa na ada so bisa won fa de se bi obeye emfa mammo bia won say yes won so ba enka mo say a year 24 economy nanka mo hye mo kanaka mo kire mu yema nkofo eto amasum ene afi women's development bank ya mo say mo de ba na adwadifo emadwadifo ehon hare ye no wo de obusu ebisa kwesa kasa time no ka wo de kan ya enka be ye no wo de kwasa na enka men tell me this eno won sam no ewa ha yebidi sankomo no ena no pay wa bra Prince Houston ono ena oye Ashanti Regional Communication Team member edema NDC Sanso ena Kennedy Kwekwenchi ono nso so Ashanti Regional Communication Team member edema eye MPP wo mo beba na yede nkomo no ahihye so Sanso ena Mashibedefie Yera Bambabi ono ena oda no Speaker of Parliament or the ensem watcho petition ede akoma High Court say agajifo mesramo sebi eson sebi enyado ebeya enka munya sisaye wo sese amemoni mu ana se constitution mu sene ebeya wo hwe the course so Parliament House we see na me majority we see na me minority no nam so ama me holy parliament na eye 4 seater ebeto Mashibedefie eno nam so eye me declare vacant mo se bi eso se bi enyado eno ne kwa se yes Emma ira fi nyoma akesa abedwa ato amo ewo court no senka mutimi on tani no ma enka enoma bekoye no monhwe na ehun sam no monka emfamaye eno nso so de bebo awram se ne kwans no se Ghana ye high court judge eye sebie son sebie nyaado ye court a obi anim se wo mo kasa tintonta obi anka bi no eno ene rap abamba be pese o kire sebie son sebie nyaado ruling na na no mo de ba ye de enka enye no kwaso eno no like seriously eno no ye be hwe san komo na no pay na ye di ni nyina na se de da ye no no ye question for the day ye nua ba bi enra kela woni mi di nkomo den ka me frew na nkomo no madomu sukoye den so me frew no wa mfa afi na me sisu se wa na wo frefre line anopai enti no aye too late ebia echi ni bisa domu suko ene but me nua ba bi asema ono so no na nsane ne odi tu menim na say questions no edoso enti mbeka ba konra ene de o kan se eye sebio okunu awawa no 2 years o osi 2 years ni papa no osi oye sofu wawaro sofu but na yini de osi dan me de me sofu die no tese mama dwimu posenka me ware sofu da lenso no papa no ka so na ni jimu no be ware no me so na me penase e na me je pene e na mawa no afi papa sofu amawa no mini sofu na wo ye ni ti o seden o ya ware awie o eba mamu akola bia mpiem what I say tie or say one papa no emfafu what I say papa no enyi se no osofo no onyin se no e ba bia mpiem na mom wagware no people e na woni neti or say anytime bia opese okọ papa ni chan say papa no enya ade obeba say oh me sweetheart I want to sleep with you like opese onene da e paso agudi no or say ono oba na da bia or request or see Bema no requested that. So requested that. Minim say be a so free say so request ya or your soft winti no. Minim say akonya ni ho say or no ye soft winti no. Or bet me den sa to na ire so ma na ire hu say and I give them me kondo and I say me be ye ma say ukunu or say debi. Debia no or no oba no. Ene debia no ututu meka na okoni kunu ho. Be na you know, like or make advances on Bema no say ohia no empasa gudi no e wo so ye na said say Bema no say Diane de bia me na mko be kuncha request sex de bia ma me ka ni say na ti ase me na me request sex every ayemi kunu every day osofo osafe de osofo bie na ano a o say aden na wo pe sex sa de bia say me ware wo de bia ji say wo ba me nche for sex de bia ntida ko ntimi na 2 days na watch kra osiso yi nani na watch a na watch no be ma ne nya sofo ne na oyi nani 2 weeks 2 weeks sofo ne na ajiso no a eko mi rade na watch ni oni me na ada 3 days oni me na ada eno de o se onya akode a papa sofo ne beda nemom ono ankasa make advances a enya ade a papa sofo ne beda se eboso me kra no be yi nani a sa abosum ni nyina no papa sofo ne da kete so be sore ene nyaade a timkeja bibia nkoso patupa bia enkoso no se Diane afi de papa sofo bie na no o se ade na o sex sa o se ade enye se Diane da bia so na mkomi kunu wo se one me na o se nye da bia so na mkomi kunu wo se one me na sofo ye da bia so na mkono wo se one me na yi mani a hwade so no abeba omada afi de mea papa na twene no mutu se ade de bia no chese wo ba o se eye no kwanso ana se nye no kwanso sofo no odo bi wo ana se odo bi ni sebio okwade a papa ne beda ono anko papa ne nchen dia se ya fi ukra na nto wo betina ho sa e wa abra papa no enni to se mi seti fo se eye papa ana enye papa ana se sofo obo game ni bi wa abontene ana se de because if you can live with your wife and the same roof and you can't sleep with your wife, you can't make love to your wife until your wife comes to you for sex, and then you make love to her. If she doesn't come for 2 weeks, no sex for 2 weeks. If she doesn't come for 1 month, no sex for 1 month. If she doesn't come for 2 months, no sex for 2 months. And then finally, also about wanting it. Why do you like coming to me for sex? Why? Like seriously. Papa's of once was to do anything. And one say, Micronona, what did Kawasha miss? And I say, Menamna me coba, me a soft mammy. Hell no. And I Bible no Prophet Martin. As of one request, say, you know better. Wabra, wire on what you. And I a bonnet. Sense of war, we are soft with you are not supposed to go close to a wife to do was said here as a man. Oban so baya will say, Ade or per sex dodo. Really? 1 week, sex dodo. 2 weeks, sex dodo. 1 month, or per sex dodo. And as of we who you are bontian. Jenun common. Kuma sebejo. Nance. Ebejo. I don't ever motivate one time my family calls. The motivation of the man. As I see ways right. So one cast will show. Will show. No one say. What from Ubia? Nipper we my phone. A quiet way swap. To make an apopacho. To make na copacho. Na chopper. And say, a chopper. Ensisa wanim, ensisa watade, ensisa wudin, ensisa obi bia opposition, ensa hwe. Obi kura ho ha, wutimu se, ono kura na afom, na so wo kura wutimi saka se, mpa cho de meye, manye ne ya, fa che mo. Wunim de ntia, enye se wagimi o, na emum no, wo pa asomdwe bi dia na. Me maye bi da. Maye bi da. Na me sister bi di agura chen fi ja be em tonsi mienu amu ani. Na sister no fancy oh akosia de me nua no me friend sister me sister penny preko me na asempa me think oh sister I love you that kokra the sister I love you now kan what you see eh obi amakosuku baby emedri o say him say ono kra de am say wa body degree mo 1000 minim the educational background and so no say me mental love na say ono no ti ase because nempena be ka asem ana me menkae e di kire we bisa me afia chire no o ma me attitude and I am say hey sister na dey na wa beto say me tie wa anchia me ka TV re me so o me TV ya wa asem na me ka because me wu me ache wu me ba bia TV so na be hwe na wa me kakra na am just adan ai wona kache ni pe we say na am so oh we stand to sir o can say na me can say afia die sebi eson sebi enya ado bo nsem wura relationship ni eche say agudie fu mu a enye easy bo nsem mu se eha enije wo ho a wan say na jan afia die ne mpena dada o ne mpena afia die sister yi omuna yeku omaka bo bidi akosue enye hwe da commission am say stamp a cho se wo free say na yo boni bi e je bibi amaneka wati and hag if you go so hu bi but when timi ni anye free bi na mesimi ni anye free bi onu ama hu se wo hu no kure ne dem when timi ni anye se face bi mesimi ni anye face am ko bi because na me pe masumdwe and na won pena no we dey chop aba and na me catch of sister is wo hwe me a won pena dada no we dey chop aba on se wi ase wa fachiri side ode ye no opama chow nje bibia manenka ani ai sister on prada da ene mama mu nyina mo sebi nsemko wo ye jimfo wonim ene me ka TV so akero nti sana tie nti wo hye na wafom obi apana cho fi se wonim da abekọ e mo bi emfa wo ho yaw enko mo bi emfa se bi pain bi utikru o de ko asama o ba jo abaye Mekanma can say, so because there's an I can say, and again, me, my milk, I don't go any baby, delay interview in a year. Sebia so sebia yard. Delay say, mammy say, wabodam, or ye bodem me. Nensono, mammy is catcher and say, I would ya. Oh, what that? When you come papa warimpo and a sebi, wow. Kofi Antwata, if you say, mammy, nepi. A month for say, eh, sir, Ababa, one papa, mammy, or dear Woodia, and he said, beauty and apple. But I know Mr. Much my video be said, yes, say, the lab want to say, or pa mammy and son and mammy. Echo. Yet a yanko pass say, if you are patch one son and mammy. It's an emedy too. So one so patcho, if you are booby cassia, put him say nipple one brahma pa and the way you know why Jadia, but no so good. Go pass about for me for sap energy, many gene fake. Because what same shit will be an arabia. Bread. I know, yeah. I know it. Yeah, Pachawati. And I've wished him po not Sebio, and you won't put our former. What's our cup? The Pachawa and Sevi. Ubenya Sunji. Now they are numb. Why you free? To say the Mitia could do it. Mrs. Demian Chow when I'm saying Pacho. The baby, my India German. Are come baby, and come baby. Many mamma, it is all. That time's not a pen come on me back. I'm come baby. And then so I have bro, so I have bro, so I have brand too. Brand come on 0202668461 Mumfa me line and so na yeni come on to your home for mommy sister or koni kuno yesofo na asofo ka kire ne say they be up sex do also 1 week that I am for me kuno me nada 1 month me mani asofo na kasa ma me chene me nada. And then so I'm a shall suffer manamia makwa, so for being an one or send a sex. And to the softly, or Bobby Wabonte, and also Obubi Wabonte, and I said, from evening call 0202668461. Baba, palm way, palm way, Macho. We'll have a caller on the line. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Diane.
Kela Kuma say it's you are not pay.
Diane, Yankopon, on down. Oman Quatentia Fontaine woman. And then that we are Futua or the bar. Now we see the pen crying. Diane, you're the penny nine of the TV or when you're TV, you see him crying into the pub was. Yeah, then you come on. Yankopon is now. There are no pain I made channel for maybe I go from it to be a channel and my channel by divine and the glory. I'm a channel and cash on woman to answer. Then, if you are so. Yana a srontum, Yana Buenipa, Yana the Pelmuno. So for no a sron one srontum more than a sron one srontum. And the Abassa Yana, funny maybe say, it may call baby because a softener or pay BBC. A person say, nay, a softener clanoya, a man at that. And 10 a day, men yet. And as Obama so complete the bra. No, can I, and I name Mamma that the and I did the other one I made that. But today I can be say the garden the Beman Diana. I can walk barno, who said a man a duffel, 1 pound for Bama. Now they are broken in 6 years. And the car always over Dawa and I will answer Bruno Sort to an uncle the womb baffle. But won't be enough in the whole bar. Or no, because of bar more corn. I can't see the American day. I get home. Now, Cobassa, Bama wants 3 and Diane, or one of Crown or bad and over it.
Okay.
No matter baby, 1 moment or back or catch it to night, and I don't know what that can hear the man is. And TV as from Diane, as one time the end of bois. Yana bois. So when you bois, you need to be on board open a pa. Now, so no one's surrounded me. I'm up for it. And no one in this one. Let's remember your band say, going on to bois here. Now you're on your neck a crack. Never fat a man. Diane, Yanko Point.
Kela Kuma say, of course, also no, obey to me after 0202668461. Kela will point to umpire, be as often once when them, oh, in our area, and the system be quite one. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oba Papa.
Prophet Martin Adakwa me. Oba yenti wano pe umpo muti say.
Oba Papa, my father, Kunya, who pum the issue, no matter on my fire. My father, Kunya, and Doctor Baku, if not to my poor passport. In a moon shan for my power with you. Oba Papa, ya mechanic a sick in your bonnet. A grandma more and a bonnet. Your Babu, your one penna, and your wawa, dear, and your word grandma more. And since you winning in name. Na Diana, a can say, the Diana will see Fiagi Brifa, Limu, I will buy the Matna, a fast section. Because Dr. Craig say, and now who's here is a brush, no one, ya, a bit one wire. It was saying, yan sending him dealing with P. Our limb fat and name. Cause in your bonnet, so you're so full. I didn't have bonnet. Cause Paul can see him fat and found coming. Because I don't know yet. No, but don't can who kuna. Why you bonnet? He said, "Dear, you know, she has a dear who person with you at that a train young coupon." So until the software you did there, one got them dinka. I'm coming back home, master.
Okay.
I'm going to coupon crowd upon him. He said, "Oh, yeah, I'm what? Or more by any year because Obano, a credit on donor or penno. They need your home and just a breath. You don't show love, no. Maybe we are in the camera. Oh, okay. And we should out.
If I don't love you, I'll not even come to you for sex. Why should I sleep with you since I don't love you? No, I'll not sleep with you. If I don't love you, I don't love you. I won't sleep with you. Yes.
Hello, Diane. Obapa. Good morning.
Good morning. I want to say.
Yankupa, good morning. Diane, we do me a bema about to
Jennifer.
Masum, Atlantic Bequai, Diane, who any Edma Power was it. Diane, 24 Mamma and Samamle, they didn't come and see all the food now, imagining the income, leaving them past the Machulian for farms or some other party. Diane, who put it as a more boy to my papa, I'm sure produce a thing, I'm in the mine. And I was supposed to do, I'll be doing it, and that's all to do. Diane, the mine was in the pants, I said to him, I'll do a day, as soon as he passed papa. Now, I put this and in practice and thought out of my team. What you to do what I'm ready for you. Yakupon goes to Islam, so belay any pata. Then Yakupon cow. That can make any and say, and I pay me up, papa. I'm a shopper. I didn't die. A Diana, but make up a friend. Who are so for on Diane? More than a cat, couldn't get up the fund. There's one coming from here. That means to what the king. Dang, I didn't know I was very nice to me now. Talk about what they want. Remember one. Remember what about him taking away. Now, because the Minami son now, I can't my Rubian China. What's your Beman, Adrian ones, what talking about three. Now, I can't manage my Dana Muno. Or then about 70 million now. Obanujano, Dang, and now, a movie up of a safe. And the cat, the Ghana, break, I can't manage in there, but it's so Dang, they have a brother and out Bushi want to know it one again 20 days. So trying to die. I remember the manager of the who's up in the car, who want in Nakobani or San Calvin and they go to chicken who should do them. So Banana, I know all of that. I have Bano and other men to along on them out from the so Bano action on the bell from Sabani Jamai. If you open your enough for that, it will Obano could have thrown it in a American corner. That's no
yeah, that's it. Well, once we yes, I need to know or complaining, but then the man should sit out because they very bad say, oh, I know you're not in that what I will say the open section. What are you talking about? So why did you marry me? Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Papa Diane.
Regan.
Regan,
what do you want to say?
Now we are doing Diane. Now where? Diane, you're going to anybody who are power. Ever pass off for that's the be. I'm not the Obano requested the man. Obano requested the man. But I don't know the one to me. Diane. Yeah,
Any party go horror. Obia no the real city. But dear, if a pana na dear ni say, or Zeko Kaza Obano, FSS dodo. Oh, what warren? What warren? Say, and yeah, me mentions no way. And moon your margarine say the above fire. Who Jimmy can Oba Jan, you quite all Kazan. Oba Jan, they are fine with the man, all right. But if you are not to be an on cancer, oh, program. But then I catch him near balance there. All men now in Casa. Now in church and Canadian so because we are in Nipa buying in the 6 you are as a year and thing, we be an wakati in the other, but so according to our name, we didn't more or ban and men now on Casana, as you know.
Yamisha Reagan. Me fa last caller na me ma Prince Apaba na ye munra ye nsem. I don't know if say ni sweet at ban for sex will be na aka say open sex do you are unko for sex no love making no oba ne ban so I will say no. Hello last caller, good morning.
No,
Hey, Papa Nyakufa do now what to say.
no,
Papa. Uni Valley Boko.
when the California now,
About my JT one pay.
I mean, any company, this is about what they say. Parliamentary candidate for President Wani Valley, and the ticket of the MPP, and the chairperson of Minerals Commission. The couple of them and the Juma Denti, President Wani Valley for better Abanamano. Menchia Cassia Sonkoma Iwa Mahamad Bamia, the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Maura, yes, I did. Romantically, Berman problem Kakra, only romantic at all. That is a fact.
Yeah,
No problem, only problem.
Yeah.
Big problem, romantically or what? Only romantic at all. That's a your banner call Alabama, only romantic. They be able to see this problem. Bring us our money away. And let's sex no banner. It's a taking note. We do that there. Men man was and get the chance in my new ban also the chase them. And yes, we do a because of ban per sex they are not in the correct. It was surprised that it is then I also from the case idea of ban per sex. No, that's not what it is. That's not what it is. That's not what it is. What kind of chakra? That man problem is that when you're romantic. But when you're bad, now while Bema when you're romantic, and that's why Bema while about when you're romantic. You always get this problem. You be a problem. Obu kan on the sorry, oh, and now my inquiry, Kakra. Obu kan just idea of but they share how romantic are you? So that is a fact. Indeed, so for no a better. Omo, onye nyoma biye, Kakra. Let us say you know when you know the power of my age, but this problem now one and none yet. Again, relationship with me. Many relationship, yes, girlfriend, girlfriend, so many relationships are facing this problem. In the end, when you address the not be able come up, never come.
That's to say, an of your solo contribution a day abba. Wow, me for call 45 minutes after 6. You're live on Facebook, Koowaa TVGH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, some Darkos initiative, some Darkos TV, so you stream it live or subscribe to your channel, now like your page, now comment, now share. Be and share. And of Prince Kobe Houston, a Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the National Democratic Congress, Amanyuku Kessie, NDC. What's not say? You want to call back? Name Mura and Seven Prince Apaba.
Dan,
How are you?
I'm fine.
I can smell. I like the smell.
Oh, thank you.
Yes,
You can smell me.
Yeah, I can smell you.
Diane.
Yes, I can smell you.
Me am it me
And I love good smell.
Okay.
So when I get the good smell, you make my day.
Okay, me ankasa me a perfume present.
Good. So you've made my morning. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyway,
Yeah.
so since what aroma anope ya bani di na ya bani you never be cause also our suffer. No suffer our no. Say okon chain for love making there. The suffer give her the sex. You understand? But say 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 2 weeks. Na so onu oba no fa no metwitwi say if I miss you I want it. No shame no sex. Now eventually no. Be man no suffer ni bi na no. Open sex. Do you think this man, what he's doing is right? Obani fi decide to amiku obobi wa bonti na say o mami chain 2 weeks 1 month kwana me koya or no so onya na adwin so ne.
Okay, mechia wahwefo nyina na machia minionu mu NDC fo nyina so. Naturally, a member epe sex che ma. Sana nyame born adi.
So why is it this
Okay.
way?
So there are two things. Okay. A member be wo mo libido low.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Ye member ni nyina your sexual drive enye the same.
Okay.
To wait me akoshia be maybe ono per sex. Every time be a oben na opeso oni wo ye bibi. Sa be man no ni libido ye very high. Make libido ade e ma wo hormones e ma wo per sex no.
Okay.
Nyame di ra be ma biem. E wo high pa. Ebinom de very high pa. Nti ukoshia sa be man na de bia na o de tata o. No na wo oba no be ka se o mpesa wo ko ni fie bi because de bia obehu bia. Thank you. And now, remember, this libido ye low, oni atenka. It is also possible, say, the wife now worrying on attracting sexually. Media de be make me worry about attracting me sexually.
Okay.
Because me know about it now for the rest of our life. It is what attract me. So me can say what attract. Yes, me who na me person me know that. Yes, me who me wife and answer me girl say. Minye who na I wish say me person me person me need. I know you can say who be attractive sexually. Another one is onyano na de e wa bontin. Me person say oyembi wa bontin. Obi satisfying wa bontin. Inti efie de no ade me kan attractive no. Inti ni enti a ode be ma o time a wo ba ne say oye wukunu. Inti den a so ode ma o. So no abe initiative die. And I think that near question is a be our banner attracting sexually.
No, I think I want to agree with you.
Because Bema dear oba oye attractive to you won't me no one damn pass around found sankan. I'm telling you honestly.
You feel like touching.
Yes.
It's true.
It's a be our warrior oba or attracting sexually. But
so what can the woman also do so that probably even if she is not attractive, should be attractive to them?
What can you do when Mimi say me worry now need to
okay,
maybe how?
Love.
Yes.
You love. Okay.
What in a minute? Then I'll wait me.
So does it mean that this also for didn't marry Adia Ebeya?
Oh yeah. Okay. Because there's no way a Bema send a boy. There's no way I even want so ba at the whole naked. Nika BC bubo baby as a boy. Na also Bema sorry. And you yare. And now when you be wa bonting, and now send a make an Obana attracting. Even so, when you be wa bonting cry as long as Obana attracting, ebe sorry.
Go. Wow. That's a good point.
Bema bet me oba different than opa. Bema wa capacity so bet me oba fufra da wia. Besa nya another one na one ne be dama ade ati. Bema de ye wo that capacity say ye de ye sex na me na de mai. Nti say oba bema ne yes ade a ene about say wa worry oba or attractive. Nti e no de. So you as a woman then I'll bet me as long as I will keep you okay, very neat and everything. If you don't attract your husband, there's nothing else you can do. Unfortunately, Bema wako worry no. It's all fun. Okay. And no be na one share here. No banner kofa with you.
Because only mean that I come to you. Friends, I want to.
So
me, I will just initiate whilst you are at work.
yes,
I'll call you. I miss you. Please.
In fact, yeah, kura na initiating yama. Yeah,
so
mema
how come say after you know about ni momo 1 week 2 weeks now, baby,
yeah.
Now after you know bounce house he loves it. Why wouldn't I love it? Auntie my husband.
It's because a biana ni libido or low or banu attractive to him.
That one dear.
And now so when you be born. But I'm telling you, even if when you be born, think right now wife and as a girl attractive to you. Or baby or wow, you want to just enter. So that's the kind of woman I saw. Obema de men worry or baby akeko. Says yeah, man, because of I won't training near maintain. It me worry because baby I kono. Ebia obano ni nsem wo bi. Me die. Unsem wo bi na wonya attractive. Me ntimi worry. Eno die. Eni ma me ndi me here. Because enye some no cause our worry no man.
Yeah.
Gabi. No, be bad.
And it's true too.
Yes.
Women too are like that.
Women too are like that. Marry. But might be because of who selling some will be. But more man put them are different.
Okay.
Yeah. Or bad dear.
Me wouldn't be but me pewa. Oh boy.
Thank you.
I love you.
Or put them.
I don't even care about where you live, what you have, what you don't have. I just love you the way. But
Bema dear. O say a dear my who or buy a physical appearance. Until you can marry a woman physically, he doesn't attract you. But now men are married women. What you say, bema ipa or beya or worry. What is what? What is attractive about this? That's what worry no. Make a piano or
be
or will be.
Oh,
I'm telling you. Oh, that be won't. Oh yeah, of course. And no sano or benwa na ode manu. Why won't initiate that?
Yeah, I want to flaunt you. I want to go out there with you.
So, and our banner here, and also our banners on 1 year. Bema ni nyebi. Iti o atratino. Oh, me if Bema de won atratina, obetimi no what daho as a nuya bani nuya bema. Because you don't have, there's not who any attraction be our iti sanity. Ti on fan is no akoware no.
And no better who. Eh, kufanko. And then the oko breaky, where the oho, Nakumada Roma, Prince body, and no me. And then the Martinity, and then the confound, yeah, my friend said Tono, and Brubayan, 700 many other 4 weeks. Oh, mad, and more than 4 weeks, so semi ha many. What should that to holiday? Not to any. We I saw him could be bank. Yes, I mentioned my Ora Kennedy, Pepenchi, a chattering our communication member for the new patriotic party. I'm going to say, Mira Pachapama. Mafio, Champions Mafio.
Kobe, maybe I will call you.
Watching you go be a mania Cynthia Cabbage. Mafio, no body of Bramo.
You know, grabbing my caboose from Kobe.
Oh, somebody was about me, my wife busy.
Yeah, oh, that's.
I have bring way back. What's your bring?
Yeah, the Nisika Yama. We have other things. T-shirts, you have bro. Yeah, Nisika, a buying Sika no room for ya moboka. You'll be now for ya.
T-shirt back. Now, so bring me MPP back. Nti na me share MPP dia. O China ma share this.
And your parliamentary tricky.
Tricky there.
Open MPP colors, no pen this colors. Now they me pam share tammo.
Ah no, e bia won check. Okay. That's fine. Yaba. Mira, yaba ne de mpacho me ma some 2 seconds bi na won so ye nua baby a o se ni kunu ne na because ni kunu your suffer. But ono oba ni ko be ma ne nchen dia. O de be ma no. Se na wotwe na so no oba no initiate sex na be ma ne na. Se 1 month have man ne na. But ono akọ ne nchen kwa dia be ma no ene ne beda. I feel eventually be ma ne bi na ka chen so your suffer. O per sex do. Is it proper? Be ma ne nya du abonten. Then a prince and Gusan or Consi, it be an oban attract no, anything I'm a bayman. What do you think about this?
Now I'm dancing. I'm in chair, you have for I'm in chair, we are seeing now. Not me, but I'm in tea.
Okay.
And I am a yes, callers in baby no as a more against Bearman always. Now you be a Bearman the chain and no as a man. Kobe na ma keyword no. Beer no bar no attractive. What you say? It's the na me pen me business and say na wo ba na so. Ni also wo ya or attractive Bearman wo ya na. What's the last time I can say? Send a walk and say, be a company, I be my benefit from a drum Canada. A drum no, or show who says CB, and then said, yeah, who looks now. What a drum cana, a bullet now do. When you are my fools are no off. A dear energy, a young one say, Bema now when you're an out there from sending me bow. There's one cast or baby and no other or catch yourself me bow. And acquire who says it, so go grandma. Na me no what no akatem se na de me pese wo game no jaja no kwa no ne kwa be fa so adwuma no so kwa but niam bi nko yi a ene obetwetwe no make us say you don't make love, you only want sex, and there's big difference between sex and the love making. Okay. What I said. Okay. So sex there you can do that anyhow, but love making there take your time, you take your time, you don't hear your boom. What I say. I make us say, oh, sorry, and I will pay a sex now. They are now sorry for dear. Yeah, Beman also on Penisa. Now be also why when who and never be any so. Make us a quano. I warrant some more year already, so I know it also any adequate in what I say. Intimate strong. Obano so. One share and one starting transformation of questions. At the end, I may ya mean ye, and tia may attract me in year. Because I may all the banners and many debia or mudia. And yet, I don't know, the mechanics all the tata. Into a banner on almost no questions now.
Well, about any million many micro no marketing almost say, or so be sound, Kosa na look good. As I say, and a dear now we are the mouth. Why attract and do that? Maybe on our move history, a tiffin. Them and attraction. Send why you want damn panels of
that's how you say. That's a me girlfriend. I'm here no one. I'm not here. Then can that could be enjoy with you. And I call you one. Consider it. Me say, send what you way. That's a me and I'm a girlfriend and can that couldn't it.
President, we need to
go one for not a cent.
Me pass so yeah call you.
Come petrol, me say no sister.
And you move pass mama.
So petrol, me say be because we don't have me way because come on, it maybe also release stress. Very very important. Yes, and it's also ya dey free more. It's as one more can me tell me I will always love to look attractive, to smell good. She said it's coming by me catch us and me I love good thing. It's who said to come and me chuchu. That's what now. A mom didn't work chuchu. And you know, and one wants to so far with you. And I don't pay. His Excellency, former President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, flag of the National Democratic Congress, Amanyopukese NDC, or the Kusa Makumaku Enum, Ede. Ama yen papa large Mahmoud Baumia say on answer if you say abra no wa otabenya kese ni so na ne ye papa wo yen baby call ebisanta yen your vice no otro kusa I think 170 e command say on answer enti no ono so so no say be so say be nya no man degree o man kese on answer but I would love to bring out the questions that or the ama alaji say on answer no na come can say campaign I so taken so ethical. Can be a say question you. We didn't card oh a bayanka over no and now bank a bubona we with the Charlie Fatu baby. But all the same no what the question about or say Mohammed's 5 questions for Baumia. Why has the CD deteriorated in value from for Ghana CD in 2016 to almost 17 for now, what I say, every episode on the year. No. Number 2, why has Ghanaians actually public debt risen from 120 between 2016 to 763 between 2024 with you as economic management team, chairman, and also Omra Nunyano. Number 3, why did the inflation rise to its highest in the Fourth Republic of 54% under your watch as economic management team chairman. Why did you borrow more than 42? Is it 42,000? I say more than 42. Between from so why did you borrow 42 billion from the Bank of Ghana, and of course it caused the central bank to post its harvest loss of 6 billion, and also Omano Miyano. Number 5, last kubu question. Gentleman Mahama, former president, said Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia so Miyano say, why have you actually run away from giving lectures on the economy? Why has the word economy disappeared from your from friends? Yeah, you are 15.
Okay. Etefo ni ahwefo nyina mechia mo biom na machia NDC fo nyina nkanka ye running mate Professor Jenana Opokuajima owo Kumasi anaso wa Shanti Regional. Obe starting a campaign inti oye campaign ni dendende asenra o meet KJT market women and some people in Kumasi ti or starting a campaign dendende mami ye chiao campaign ugu super oye oje super na Diane Omampeni dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama obeye Omampeni January mono webisa question no enya tem didi no wona ye de adwuma hye wonsa ena obisa wo se answer na wo ban woka 1 2 3 but as a wo regime no eya kwawiye nti niam wo kan no ase bibia enye adwuma nti adenti eye harmful question nti we di anka na expect say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia beba be answer but wabe answer with question meaning say when who answers na wabe answer ni Facebook page nti me wo de mema wo answers no
Okay.
She Omampeni President Mahama obi a we di president da nti so obi question bisa no because opeso obisa keke obisa because onimni opeso obisa because papa ya ye kana asem Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye kana asem or ye vice president of this economy until January 6th no that's who ye vice president ni eso ye bia o say economic management team chairman ahwefo say ye kasa obi ye economic management team chairman na yesikasem ye economy yesikasem tutu ye bia no ono na Omampeni na nado dinato ano iti onye obi akeke iti sasem na okasa o ye drivers mate keke no gbogu ye kasika ye ntutu ye se wo cement bo be kosru iron rod bo be kosru aduane bo be de ni nyina yesikasem nyina be koye nyina no papa we ene da no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in fact answer na nanado ba no osi onu de onu nanado onim hwefa economy nti wakofo obi a onim di oye PhD in economics nti your friend say oye economics nti sa nipa no na ode ba be boa nti Ghana for G2 mu say o nanado eye no kwafo nti oba ye no sesi ya economy no eye den enu nti na President Mahama ebisa no question no obefa economy no wo hifa na odi abedru enu na ebisa ho question oba no na dollar to CD na ye 4 cedis President Mahama and Professor Mills on befa dollar to CD as for President Kufuor the oye redenomination and no peki dollar to CD no to 1 CD to $1 before free so na ye 1 CD 20 pesos to $1 it would the everyone say ye be 5 free 2009 about 2016 1 CD 20 pesos to $1 no ye de ba 4 cedis inti ahia na ye de kan 8 years Ena saa time no kura no Nana Addo ni Bawumia say President Mahama ne Professor Mills omo abon omo nim sikasem ntutu ye enti no mutimi ma dollar every 1 cedi. In fact saa time no kura the na dollar ye 2 cedis. Akufo-Addo say anka yo no anka be resign dollar ye 2 cedis no etie for mutie ne ye o President Akufo-Addo na kan ye o say dollar ye 2 cedis o Mahama abrɛ so nti no anka yo no na ye Mahama anka be resign. It is a Mahama and resign here because abemu adodo enti continue resigning. Enti onu de onu ni Bawumia ba ombema dollar no aba from as I stable. Diane, enye ye ne ye kan ye o. Ena ye di abenwa ne mom. Enti Diane, so wo na wo hwe ye so a not even just foreign exchange. Eye 1 cedi to 4 cedis to $1. Ne dollar ye 17 cedis a obe market Bawumia ne Nana Addo say omo afeli ana so omo pass. Diane wo de yi man no. Onya no. You mate. Obi dia ye 4 cedis 20 pesos and as all the 4 cedis. Who dia ni 17 cedis. Dollar no. Oba ye no na cement bo e 24-25 Ghana. And a cement boy ya. Iron rods boy ya. Niema mu sisa utie. Tama na Mahama woso no na niema mu sisa. Se Nana Addo nkwa na eba ya na niema mu sisa. Iti Mahama time na ne ye complaining about se niema mu aye no na niema mu sisa. Empo se niema mu kra be sisa. Esisa boko. Iti wo de hwe President Mahama ne Professor Mills be far dollar to a cedi 1 cedi 20 pesos from Kufo. Eno mo bo modia for 8 years and ko bebre e ko 4 cedis. Iti ahene ye de ka. Now would you be far from 4 cedis in 8 years? Would you need the cost 17 Ghana cedi by by the December e be ko 20 cedis. Iti would you ever dollar some no to che? Osi o President Mahama na wo bobo sia dodo. Me ba so oti sa asem no. Osi o President Mahama wo bobo sia dodo. Iti busia be na President Mahama boy from Nkrumah time ebesi President Mahama de so na ka Ghana for de nyina na ye 120 billion. Na ka from Nkrumah to Mahama. Wo de hwe emre na ewom from Nkrumah to Mahama. I can ye din na ye 120 billion. President Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia say Mahama bon enti na wetimi abruka to ho. But the kind of crap na ye boy no na ye won niema ye de kire enti a ye gi sa abusia ne de boss aka na. Enti na expect say obi a wo se obi de wa boka anazo wa bobusia dodo no. Na ka wo de expect say oba aka wo de wo bobusia. In fact wo kura ka say Bank of Ghana wo sika na wa ye djuma wo order Bawumia no na no kati no kasa no obi o kasa bebre no yeah but me pesa me kan say no kasa iti Ghana fo nya ne mu gidie sometimes no NDC for na Mahama o ka hwe kro obi enti o si sika no wo Bank of Ghana iti o mo ba o mo bobusia enna sebio ye busia na ekohe enna ye deka 741 billion Ghana cedi who beto 120 billion ahina wo dia account in just 8 years sa nkrofo no dia no me see from Nkrumah to Mahama o enna ye 120 billion who dia from Mahama 8 years ni who dia nko a what are the 600 and something 641 billion nti enu yemfa nto ho na che ni awoka se ye boka dodo no yemfa nto ho ni amabo wo be fa petrol ahe na 1 gallon wo de na wo use car 1 gallon na Mahama efisu na ye 14 cedis ene wo top petrol nti niema bebre na nkrofo yi kae no ena President Mahama say o ya hwe for 8 years tenesi nti me bisa question nti President Mahama say den Aden na ne dollar to cedi no 17 Ghana cedi. President Baumia, una we economic team management chairman. Aden na dollar no ene. O ka se obeso mu agina ho. O de se wo nya hwekura na nka o de emfa ne se ka 5 cedis mpo. Kai ne 17 cedis. Iti me ba to we bisa boni. President unim de wo ho pa. Iti be per question. Also, why has the cedi depreciated in value from 4 cedis to $1 in 2016 to almost 17 cedis? And no, no abebe yano. No achire. Ebi aye ni enim.
Is it necessary?
Oh, it's very necessary. We are criticizing your competence as a vice president, as an economic chairman. Ye pese hu adwuma na ye de hye wo nsa no. Se na wo ye no, anka wo ye ni yi a, ke be affect ye. Anka wo buy 4 cedis to $1, anka na 3 cedis and 2 cedis a. Ke be bo abaso. But na 17 cedis. Adenti na ekoye sa. Ye bisa boni. It's very necessary. So, ni eti esa necessary kwase. O see ensa money to me. You see, anka oye we nyina no wa koda baby anka ye fa no. But we are why ye nyina no wa ma niema ye basa nyina no. O see ensa money to me.
Said you won't okay, me instead of asking.
Aso nia oba ye ne de otie aso Diane aso nia President Mahama ba ye de wa mama nsa nyina ewu. But eso bisa question. O see apprenti na ye kana na ye wo beto so na ye 120 billion. Okay, na ye 120 billion. Enne ye kana kosoro. O see adenti na inflation kosua 54%. Me pa to nse Mahama bi say enye na nya no kure. Ye kan koso. Inflation kosua to 54%. Ghana Bank of Ghana nanka Bank of Ghana yen printi sikasa but who my printi 42 billion e de ma wa ban because wa ban discan nyina hwe Diane ne ekoso nyina se ne wote ho a na me hwe Messi ni bia sama na oka o see first before Mahama time not me call ejuma 2 times ejuma ba kon because ejuma run let me top cement bebre it can you imagine say na cement boy 24 Ghana 25 Ghana. Can you imagine how much 1,000 cement can buy for you? Would you calculate it? 24 Ghana. How much cement can that 1,000 can buy for you? And then cement here 120. How much can 1,000 Ghana cement? 1,000. What do you bet me after cement? How much? When you someone show you can do 8 bags. And near me day. Ene ye maame no maban we nko na aba obia abone bra anye sika akoto aban busia e de ama aban sa aban gina fa ye adwuma ene aban I use sika no recklessly or the afa plane akese na do tim na oginani na o se o si cathedral na o ye niema basa ene wa be ka tro wo a woman ne busia ne se o se ntimi ntua every Wednesday bia ye maame no ye papa o mo peketi ewo Ministry of Finance epo musika enye so omo se abanche yesika na ye dia mawo it is a President Mahama bisa question we a odi bisa it will bisa because o man no aye dey Diane just a wo person wo kan okura say o man no aye dey and then my favorite food so we need 30 cedis and 40 cedis gobe na 5 cedis crowd me dey talk gobe oh say I just a wo 30 cedis because you take up 10 cedis in Kwama wa menwoda. Diane wonni masema make. Ni memo ya din Diane. It is ye kasa enye so obi pese o kasa nanka ye ba ye nanka dollar ye 3 cedis. Ofu say ye betinya be kasa dollar ye 17 cedis. It is say President Mahama ebisa ne question na ono on te se ba omi a otimi posti 170 question. Onim answer o de abema. Me no be see ama o. Me follow no Facebook into no.
Follow no but I'm surprised I'm not.
Oh, okay, mami nyama o sisi a. Me follow no Facebook. Obe yi John Mahama no. Baomia. Wabeyi na no with questions. With more questions. Wabe bisa no obi a ye bisa wasem 5 questions beno. Or the 50 questions abeyi President Mahama. Na me yi ma osisi a na me yi ama opa. Iti media me di ma no be sia no no. Nia President Mahama question obisa nyina ene se obisa okay. Iti hwe what did really?
Mate. Kennedy, Breman, but me, I will bring it.
Okay.
Very tell it to me.
So, what in your me person me can you now say question no Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Opa wonyiano. Opa monyiano. Ghana for be yano ama 7 December.
Na me da say. Amenchia obi. Menchia prince. Na men kan cha won say moya ade nso. San say America kra me ndi mai so aduma e ko so kama. Nse prince de mini go de wa ye tie no pasa. Me ase asaba. Na enye boapayo. Se na prince di ga kan na. Na on menya mpanimfo no adom a me kan regional campaign team. Nti anytime bia regional chairman emu bia no na me kan anytime bia nso a yana ma me Samaria Baumia so bai so na me kan team wa na you am no kasanya me adom a Sunday the next president of the Republic of Ghana on also eba nti oban so a team no so move no so we can and now I also have a lot of responsibilities me committees and also need my dear so na December 7 said the best ma area Baumia no ya confirm no as a president January 2025 then mamenchia atiefobi ahwefo social media for ene omo so ehwe obi asimina na memmo ye papa David Asante we see Ghana gas abaso then we adopt a year communication team and I direct it no entire directorate in Ashanti or support you in kakakra e kan kakakra says ni pa no dos but push me be kakakra within the premier the talk edit there I mean the research there but the it's area David Asante Ghana gas e bon abaso pa to German
David Asante okay now more publishing CEO no your friend is no Ghana gas David Asante mo CEO of Ghana Publishing Company your friend is
the friends Ghana gas we did David no ono ye friends kai me
oh me name Ghana gas but David Asante no ye Ghana Publishing Company ni only the let my vote count no
David I know ye Ghana Publishing no Asante na mama di we abe
oh okay and my kai but ni how can I say me Ghana gas
oh okay I say na me ne first name na confuse
no okay
nti me bona baso ene dwuma di a odima kesiti fa doche oye patron na I feel say I start here no so no o mind sense no but me bia no onu so a kai sense obetimi aya research na aya nso ya ba le reduce na ya bedi ekomo na TV na ene amanfo so abedi ekomo Ghana say na afen so Dr. Richard get fan also bona baso say dwumadi a wodi ewo get fan aya dwuma bo aban ankasa a lot of contract school so edisi na no ya na o man hu say and this for Yera Mahama na mo kase na you know ne day students day school na no osisi ewo MTJ no ye gya no kono then nyina no ya competitive pre ya dwuma ya turning most of them into boarding house that's how we used to see nti ebo no nso abaso no dwuma dia odi regional chairman menchia no ahode so nko yakopon dia man sa abre mu odi ye dwuma ebo na abaso then Yera Mahama anya nwanwa se me de anya nwanwa bia wo de wo so wonten ho asem dia se na de afi de obusa Yera Baumia questions na questions so obusa Yera Baumia say flimsy questions what is there flimsy questions questions are say be me kura me tie a me ni omampani da me musa questions a me wo anu yie dada na me za bebisa ati ase na de abasa nyina ne se yete Ghana ha ne area ba ma sorry esesa amante gugu ne fie den se kanu kotokuro edi tuo nyina aka ho te de besi emre bia atin se ye nuam bi ga so mo koye picketing na se mo kan e wo ne fie a esesa tuo ne se ka akọ so mo koye cleaning e wo eno da nchen ya na no odi asi Ghana institutions so eho ebo mo da paada bia no singe war song no na afei atro a omusa digu edigu Ghana institutions so fi most especially fence yisi electoral commission ehu fi na anu yai esu omu gidigidi electoral commission bi abadi mu electoral commission asesa kofo bi din abamu eko bia ase a ye de CEOs ene Ghana mpanifo ne political parties omo mu ka bi omu nyina akwatra ase a o ma ne bo ma be gu nwani mu ase poto a wantimi ani adanse e chese ampanza ma yakan e ABCD de nyina so no e wo zabe ana CEOs hu say yes say ya tro no mudi na emu mu pese wo nye ne bo man and the area ma wanza na nse no ni ha onye campaign America for friend e de tunani mwone no se wa nya sa atro no ne sa ntokwa no a enwom no a wo to no se onye ne be bo man yi a woni na titafo no akwa bi gwa nka bi be apeto America ho do mu nsi ho enti wo mra no mepe policies o me kan kwan obe fa so Ghana fo beto ababa no e na okoba ya a odi ahubasem a start business with the questions here e wo anu yie dada na eno ase no enti obi bi no na wase on say electoral commission they were so wise to the sense ebra omo first have forum no apart meeting omo anfre interparty na party for no gwan omo frɛ CEOs fans CSOs efrɛ commissioners embassies ne ade nyina amom ko hebi to mu nia be di hu adanse hu ne course ampa no hu ze ne etro ene nyina amo pese ebo man Ghana ene ho asem e jo se ewura kan kɔ ade esafata nso de mo mpane da ko pe policies a Ghana fo be gyina so ayɛ ne ato abama na gya sa antro ne enema ede oye ne bebo oman ebe ka oman ya sumdue ena odi meka ba ya wa start busa questions no questions ya 7 you go am ni oman pani da me busa ta questions no ayampa se ewura ama waka se ono de se ye dwene esi gyina de onim ye se nya sa ampa nkasa ase mekanya se obusa na ubusa sa questions we no se dollar no wo ko no na 4 cedis 60 pesos a uja okọ no e na akodu 16 cedis 22 pesos waja se ka ubusa sa no na ka wo hwe wachi na me kwa me so mba ye na 1 cedi to 1 cedi no e ye de na bedu fancy 4 cedis 60 pesos ubusa sa question na go busa da bi ase me go busa de bi de kun for ntimi musa bi waja se ka jiro ho musa na umusa de to so biem e kan se kura se obusa se me bae no Ghana Bosnian ne ade nyina no na ye 120 billion cedis na ede na akodu 720 obreko wo answer na wo so bae no na Ghana Bosnian abo afi kwa me nkoma so no message na na ye sai na ede na kodu sa 120 no wo ka ho asem ye ka se amamuo se be nya fadi abro enye sa kind of jokes no say ya kase nti na o say me so be ma o ma fo say be o a serious business it needs serious people, serious thinkers like Baumiano. What I said no ma dwene ehun say da bi e wo ye o se ye konkan na de na be ya ye de be konkan enye ye chi nsem ehia na ebusa. What I said granted oman granted me ka say oman say de o mo kan asai atita kwansa ye ko enim na de na wo ye de oman akọ enim ene ne kwasha Ghana fo obusa o woni na Ghana fo obusa so ato aba. What I say enye de kwasha ya obusa Ghana yes ye busa na kodu ho ene so oman pani mahama Say what you onim say, onim factors me abosia no ekosoro. What I say? Onim factors me abosia ekosoro na. Dan I say am no what you ekese. Say Abraham Mahama nim say na abosia obo ye no. Na ekutwa mre ebo abosia na eku oman. Enti na no dakwa akufo ado. Any rubber umia, yes, economic management in chairman, or transit drain, who said there be Busia Waba Ekuye, a big real man. The sentinel, ye loan restructuring. I said, you understand, Diana. So, what you have Bobusia on me? Now, a young who chilled into the bedje Busia. Oh, buy and Miss Moons on what you want to know. Interest and the amount, said Tilly. I will soon be a wutria. Kakaka, I won't be in here. Eti akyere na wo tena ase na wo de o se ni bibia ye se be just abuja na just abuja no. Eti akyere wo tena ase dwere one ase no. Se si a de me de ye busan kwa ye no ma ye wia me ho aha me kaka. Eti de na me ye a sa atwa mre busan no e be fi mi so. So, ukokwa bi ho. Ana kwa bi se o. Me de sa abusan na age ye no a wo tua bia 20% interest no. Metimi ama sa abusan ni bi. Na wo tua 10% interest. Then in this case, no amount longer period I do better abosia. In this case, no. And here now, I said brilliant government. Obia, who focus, who did that, what that chima o man. Oh, but this alone no interest neck to one. Yes, I'm a longer period now, dear Chiano. Now they go clear a terminal loan of you. Said the bear who be how one. Ubetinia, I neskadia, I had your mouse or day. Sad journal, you know, I'm only. Ba umia hu adwere ye na say economic meeting chairman or dwere ye e de board the mampani say eti ye ABC dia e be me ho ha ye timi ahye de ma akwa ni what you say in this case who loan na de de in a way no yakotwa clear sa loan afuro ya ji bosia foforo abe na dan kwa kofo ba umia din mu ye rama ma wanwira nkoho ana say wa hu say sa ne ma na ekoso. They should stop such social commentaries now. Medical can say, "Would you encounter? There's nobody at home anymore. Could be a challenge. Umahama, who can't pay ye. We think no policies are or be born at this stage. Because when you're konya, would you win your crown? What be the assembly man, MP, minister, deputy minister, what be vice president, what be a president? What's our elections is in Obia? What on Dimitri? Because our election are okay. A come one. Elections are for crab 5 times. Then it's got the experience there. That will be papa. It's got be one. Naka dear do mind come from crab and eba. And yet any told the network with Draman to an old woods. And the area by me or can ask for one payment. Not him for prison. Not dear and yeah. What I say? And this annual money in the area. The area of one in America for the country. Tell Ramahame, the corporate policies. Cocan, some of the token of Pacumas and top amount. Ne jai, and to qua any now water. No more, my God. Then they need to quack questions. Then I do by Open BIA. I mean, America for Muzampa. The Omakan or young word man. Any friendly questions you will be said. Then, and then I'm not telling inflation there. Inflation, I say. Adena, the piano, your cousin, mamma. Why, yet, or your atmode, near mad that than a come here, one of them. Ah, it would see a crowd him, should crowd him say inflation. About 22.8. Unim. So I didn't think I won't crowd with Saka. What's no Busano? No, because I will about me. I see me about me. Me about me. And I knew you and I vice president. I would do my work. You didn't to me, oh, man, penny. I don't to me, do my dear, so man, penny. And the Quaban now far swap. Inflation 54% now, about 22%. Besides, that watch is not going to boom say you crown no man. And then the actual move. That's only current, it's not up. Can say, or it's not on the current, on your current. Only me a cost of mine this year. Nabi, what you want to ask questions? Because that question requires inflation. I didn't think inflation go 54%. Meanwhile, inflation and national 54%. No, because inflation and national 54%. Inflation is 22.8. It's what? And the question goes to Busan say, na ye den na otimi ye ya e be do 54 because be nye kwede na nte na ga ye kwede na ka e hu pa na ye na be do sa e na chess ampa wo is serious or person who dia ka na ko ma o kire wa na ka wa ko tra se de wa adwen apa hu se na emso me ba se de wo ye emso me improve upon me improve upon ye ewura ba o me ye na emso betimi ama o ma ya ko nkai dan asema person ka kire ewura ma ama se ye be sre no so fi se ntokwa no afon no okay so ewura ba o me say eye pa o busa 5 questions eye pa ana 3 as 5 eye pa na mum ni senti na me catch o say be ni nyina ye tnase on debate na de o bebusa bia no moderator ma akọ na busa na ye nje tna Ghana fo hu tutu ya na hu ne o woda ache mo man o te man twa say nye America fo na share wo say copy policy ye na buy o bebusa questions ya enka wo to de na nka wo ye focus o ye campaign so e ko yie iro o me na ha na ko nam ha ne yire nam ha regional chairman for nam ha ne constituency enam pieces for so yobadwo bi campaign ba bi amfa bia ekoyie eno ne ye dwere ho ne aka Ghana fo ene pa Ghana fo aye ne ma Ghana fo aye ma Nana da kwaku fo na yewa ba onya ba aye ma Ghana fo ne ye koye nim no ye sa be yaka ho ade apedi o man ena ye say ne ye dwere say Ghana fo be tesa message nas what you say
me that say
yeah I do okay so Diane Miss Rewa bisame nuane say osi America for ko tu Mahama for say onjai side no
koka afro barometer
please
research on my
please
don't release on
okay for releasing me jam 2 minutes na ma no for releasing my SCC
enye maduma wona waka wona asem abu anti wo kwohwehwe kokan ma cho ba bia
what kasama to be so no Kennedy wona wotena radio TV so na waka asem bi na me se me 2 minutes na aka no wo de me rebata 2 minutes no Fanafa produces our document in the year.
You
see,
do your research. Do your research.
Kennedy.
Afro day barometer.
Kennedy, uti. Mimi nko hu Afro barometer.
Enti ma cho.
Wona wako hu.
Ana ma cho.
Iti nanka wako hu yi. John Mahama no me yi ankyere wo ba omia page on one Facebook page no wabetro questions wo ho anu yi a odi Mahama na wo wabetena TV so TV aye kuma would say America for active Mahama warning say oye bibi nti ombra no be ye campaign America for active warning na wo so Afro barometer no wehu Afro barometer no me ye sure say nka ese wo phone so a wo ka asem a wo di be support sesi a wo se me na me nkọ hwehwe wo a wa hwehwe a wa hu no na nka wo de atira mansa nyina camera sesi a ne ye nyina ye hu
so kwabe
so no you say I'm not giving you don't have anything you say you and it's not sauce it's not sauce
I'll give you the sauce
America for country so put that thing aside who betena hand chantro and then me said mami nkasa
what's happened 2 minutes
me say Baumia ye serious thinker iti ono thinki Mahama na enye serious thinker ni ono thinki no oja dollar ma 4 cedis no please Kennedy Obefa no 1 cedi 20 pesos president Kufuor fisu na ye 1 cedi 20 pesos and in 8 years odi call 4 cedis osi ono thinki wa dream wa unjimi ye wa unim nyansa no titi osi obi ntinke na tese onim nyansa wa nyansa wa unjimi ye odi wa be fa free 4 cedis e dia cost 17 ye boy yesema wo unim nyansa pa wo tiso no wo obi die ni gallon petrol gallon na 14 cedis osi onim nyansa onim amamuo wajimi Mahama nim nyansa oni adwen wa adwen wa be fa free akwa ne 70 cedis adwen kase ni Baumia wo adwen pa na wa adwen ni a we de wa bon kra na me nua se responsible loan. Sebi Diane. Wako bo busia, wo see interest e wo so no so. Nti wo ko obi ho. So on bo busia na interest wo fo. Na fa beti busia na wa bo a interest no wo so. Nti anka wo busia na ente mafo. Diane. Wako bo busia wo Kennedy ho. Ni interest wo so nti amene wo. E na obebo busia wo me ho a me interest no wo fo. Na wo de poti ono ni interest e wo so a. Wo kan na mafo.
So or they clay.
Nti wo kan anka mafo. Edena uka koso. What is this lack of knowledge like this? Wako bobu sia wo baby a wo see interest no wo form. Muhammad yo nim nyansa nti wako bobu sia wo baby a interest wo through. Nti wo a wo nyansa wako bobu sia wo baby a interest no wo form a wo de ba be clear. Bosia bi a interest no wo through. Ese wo bosia ne ba form. Edena wo bosia no e koso. Eya mo bu yesi ye Jimmy. Nti mo sorry a mo ka bibi a kire ye. No. Some women say, wait, Jimmy, I won't come wait to me. No, I think that is it. Many and say, Mahama so who say, and net inflation here 20-something%. Why not be a call 54%? No, I'm saying that who took us there?
It is under the administration.
So be who the alcohol no be say, then I would the alcohol. Who's your name? Answer so who say, and then you're 22. Or see, I didn't know the alcohol. This a question. This question is say. I didn't know what you call 54%. It's man can on one can net deal. What do you call 54%? 2022. Now your inflation here 54%. Okay. But what in America say? It's Mahama. Any new bisa. Some now say America. Please. America phone can be bia. It's in your members can say. Some now kika no. Nienti aye bisa questions. And he say we want track records. Ye di adwuma mo bia. Send ya wo ye no. Yet me bisa question. Ada na wo ka kire me sese wo ba niam mo be ye mre na niam mo aye de wo si ma me bisa wo na me nka niam me etimi aye me bisa wo na wa kire me mu se Thomas ma e vote ama wo en Thomas ma te se ne ento asom se me ye bibia ma mo sesi a de na me ye otina we ye to asom ye bra
but Kennedy for 5 minutes say mo say time no ma feri nya ade start up kwekwe o
dan kwa bi de so kasa ma na yo because obi a ne me se ne osikasa nti nya wo odi ata me the better kwa essence on radio duma no ye nti eba economics ne sa bank ne hu nsita na ntiase no e bia ontiase ena sa na yewa mahama so ontiase because ya amfa nwa okay you never understand yo what you say asema me kan ne say dan mabobo busia what dey let's give out figures na ya ntiase mabobo busia 10 million wo okay what dey am me 20% interest. So ni all no be am the man be 5 years na me tua so ni all no me go tua principal no plus interest what you say ana me hu say interest na odi ama me no ene yes na eso ekume ana obi aka chem say obemma me busia metimi da ko tua a clear off busia na me kwaje ya me tua 20% na ma tua e wa what you say so say me be tua obusia be clear obusia na scatter was in it.
Some cleaning.
I'm going to pay the principal interest. So I will need the car. I am more than what was our boy, you know. Then they are clear reason everywhere. Okay. The difference is that I know many feasible payments, low interest, and then the longer period. I don't know what say. Oh yeah, won't ask you. Because you be a twatro. Won't be interested when you. So in this case. Oh, we see how on. I don't cost what you say. Standard. It's going to be on what you say. I mean, that's what you say. Ebio, the Americans say Ramahama. And yeah, the questions will be standing friendly questions. What a Ghana how? You're queer anymore. You're sandwich. Now, you're funny say, and ye be, oh, yeah, and I say, be inflation. I could do this point. Now, Corona, what you are transit, as I say, I'm a very good dream. I'm going to be more. I feel perform more than 50%. What I said, and I tell about a bit. Now, Miss Abby was a question, and then I could use the book. So, I didn't know question, and came based on say, I didn't know inflation yet 22.1%.
So, I didn't could do 52. na about 22.
And the student, no man will be that question was ready. Now, but not to watch that, it was a great debate. Now, one idea.
And to say, now, how does you say, and Kafuma president, Miss question in me. Mode Yakoi 52, and it's a Tiaba, a 22. And Tiaba,
is your movie and Munya. Ah, now, not the Busa question. Imagine the Busa question. I don't know if it's a Wushia idea. Because now we Busa question.
Why did you take us there?
Question
I don't know what you call.
They took us there and now it has come down.
Yes, but he's asking you, why did you take us there? What do you call on? Niama Bona Yedio. What do you call on? Emma Boy Yedio. Okay.
And no, ma, and Mamuno. A serious business. So, you mean thinking overboard. You can't be with the Mamma person. Tell them what I said, so by ya. What me am going to do to catch a gun for it? Your phones, you dear temper, you phones baby internet, like what I say. Eti, dear, we a serious person, say. I call home. What me at say, I drink a solution more. And a man at Ghana for near Kun, because you call how no one. What you say as a drink? Ah, and we say, how any idea? A, B, C, D solution a bit me about a year for her. Then I won't kind maybe a chum send a key forward. Nay, Janet said, walk rock.
Okay, you're cramming, I saw some person we are never
going to say to say.
You could do 80 something and
22 something,
100 and something plus.
A quarter.
Yeah.
Later.
Or come later.
What I say?
One and let
me make my point.
You took us there. Watching Crofosika.
Eti Dana. Eti buy say.
Usika o mabeti o man mu na.
There about my chance for dress say. Na that for man pa no. Say ye hwehwe mu bi etia. The phone no koso. Apa ye hu ye no. Na de ye ko no say. Ewiase nyina no. Phone no bo no koso.
Yeah.
Ade a say ade anya. Eye. Ye see also I find say wo mo nkofa phone no ba. Dollar omo sand bebre no kofa no ba. Enya ma bo. Nti oba no a car or bonny or the eti no o say ya e be ma for the so the serious thinker it is no dollar na esese bebre no one ye de ko bono ye de ko to ade na e me dollar so sa short o man eti ma dollar say e tumeka sa na tie dia let's go and make arrangement
for good for oil
na enye good for oil
and it na
now I will come when I can say that
Mojai back of Ghana say Mojai
mami come myself now I'll bring you
petrol cost Mojai
because maybe we'll go do we will go do so I'll bring you gold equivalent to a certain dollar.
Can you imagine?
Me de better for another. It's now men per dollar.
You were selling gold, getting dollar and buying. Oh, wow.
It's in the say.
From Fuamo,
and now, Baumia.
Who got gold? No one $1 and you got to fool. I would say gold for it.
Ghana for
can you believe it? Say one of the gold got oil.
Say Ghana for about some go to December 17th. The more air assessment. Say why now how bad? Obeti na jam. No, I provide solution.
Why did you call how?
What you say? Yeah, but we do have America call how to. So how to America? And America man penny be get tree. And country we are seeing na say there's a certain manner or Ghana. I friend Baumia. At me that you say Ghana ha. I did be a year be bo man can call. Hey sister.
Oh, I don't call America na.
You do drones.
Breaking and no America. Oh, the America won't come on one of me.
Yeah, how your medical.
Who can break no America? But me no America. That's American come on one. This is America for the economy. This is about
what's the same kind of fact I say? American fact is about the Japan doing so fast by. Because it was certain person that want to
we are winning now. Show my no.
About however,
we are winning now. Show my no.
Is expert to identify problems, but providing
Mahama will not even take you. Will not allow the problems.
He can't.
Who the problem at 2 years old? Hey,
he can't.
What the problem at 2 years old? What's your mean? I'm solving it. But Mr. Mami.
02026684.
Oh, enye MVP anka. What the petrol call 120 cedis. Oh, mamum brem.
02026684. Thank you so much. 0202668461. Ghana, Musumbrem na Yendi, come on. I have this message here. Teacher Kwejo Tepa. Teacher Kwejo, yeah, Tepa, teacher says that Ghanaians will be very, very wise not to vote for Nkoko Kitten, of course, the 24-hour economy, disco economy. We will still actually vote for the 3 years teachers and not work 3 years to receive 3 months, salaries from the president and of course the NDC party. The free senior high school policy has actually enlightened Ghanaians. So NDC propagandists can actually no longer deceive them. Greetings to Dr. Ben Asante of the
Ben
Ghana.
Asante.
Yeah,
Ben
okay,
Asante.
of Ghana Gas.
Ben Asante.
Dr. Richard Wodu, Gets Fund Administrator, and of course the chairman. Odenoho Kweku Apia Kuka. All right. Yvonne says that good morning, Sister Diane and your team. We thank God for today. How are you doing? Keep up the great work. Thank you so much. Also, be to me and pray. Hello, good morning, caller. Pacho, good morning. Pacho, would you have a line? So, good morning.
Morning.
Wadaro, my you see one pay.
NPC. Morning.
Pacho, make you our TV no so. Mawa no call. What's your Wadaro, my baby? So.
Pacho NPC phone. You're very tired. You're Kataka.
Nah.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Because we see I say Mwa Oba, I am on TV no volume no cough. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Great.
Apa mo?
Pastor Moho ya now swear.
Bako, ya mambo ni ejuma.
Ya just so you are
Na, ye. Nukula ba ko pe. Nukula me ba ko pe. Ya mambo ni ejuma. Ese, endi tinu no ati hono. Ade tinu na fitu nkwa na mo pesa mo tuga na. Amu tugu Ghana ko elu. Amu kan nukula no. Hwe amu kire ya de ba ko pe. Amu Mahama ba obesi ya ye. Abo Ghana. Yan ko ya tibi mo. Yan ko ya tibi. Ye ko ya ni. Na baby Mahama oti che oba be twa for ye spell wa ko dem poti no beti na ye abwa o mo Ghana. Oba be sika go ni boto ba ko party bi woni nta ase. No ya. No oni obi ani nkonta ye. No akotira di be di. Ya blo mo. Ya blo mo. Omo ma ba o mi o be di o ma ni so na ense ni e be twa ko. School omo di aba. Anything biama everything for beba be bia ko bia on be ya di papa everything for adi papa bia ni o mo be adi papa bia ni o mo tin o mo kon ko bia be bi ntra na agri e ho bye bye
0202668461 0202668461 ofre me anu ma TV no volume no perform so that I can hear you clearly. Why? 0202668461. Hello, good morning, caller. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, I don't want you to feel so now, mommy.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. It's Yamu. Fatih from Nima.
Fatih.
MPP for near the Papa Bia Magana for MPP for the Papa Magana for one more fun that you for blood petrol. I'm a Ghana water. Then no more power. That's it, Grandma Musiano. Baumia, who would be there, the Papa Bia, who first out what you said to Abama, and got this come up for show. Not Catigran and I are completely there. Also, the South of Ghana, I doubt Catigran if I walk. Baumia, why I didn't tell the Papa Bia with me. NPC4 nya the Papa Bia Magana for NPC4 ya Siri Hospital Opa Kasua ya Rekwan Oba Sekra ya Dubai Opa Kumasa ya Sikejeti Dubai NPC4 for Musumu Mudiabra, and they and this NDC what me from whom compare this is that because the NDC I am a Ghana no Yawagana out Kumasi hospital no asante and official donation show PO before Samba never ye Wahumia way Akufa no way Munya Ghana for and I hospital no any government hospital she can go on bottom Sassy can much hospital free say it ya Sassy can government hospital Sassy can Akufa no ba we want jenki and asante no obre enti yankwa yenim sao who go echi a who da bin papa na go echi who na na wasa go echi na wakotena na wasa hwe nyasa enye enim yo na ebe ko enye nsuo na aso na ebe yo ebe abe so ga na fo akọ enti ya hwe nyasa papa and this all the way people for mo pa mo po and this na ekọ because enemy people and e wu se difference wo mu everything here the papa bia magana.
Yeah, that's it. 0202668461. Fatty all the way from Nima, Nanado, and Chemupe, and Ifri. All right, so give me a call 0202668461. 7 more minutes to go. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mira.
Thank you. Na so na you can say the safety the fight the safety the fight the
okay
na when you are your better class is here now let's say na you kakra no it's not into new idea NGC only to me my MPP because they don't know more Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia the boss na at the bank of the idea and then I can't master. That will be a kid. Now, so be a fine. I don't know about when that happen. By a policy, a man, a nothing faster. And my egg. Because we share, here's the just a prayer. And put your bind the by. Mammy, baby, I am my yeta. It's half of us. 2016, your boy, ma. Moba Momaya Kenya, I interpreted it. The boy Momo for the and the answer and be so. And the most of my my Yama Enya time and interpreted it. We always say, Dana, as you can fool, no, you need as you can fool me and not winning I effect. And the other day, I catch a Dana for me now. Baumia, and then you saw him in the papa. I want to show between the upper bottom.
Thank you so much for your contribution. 0202668461. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Baby, I'm free.
But you're not going to say about it. But you say,
but I'm one of you. Oh, me too.
But
I was watching County even as hello, good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Boko there.
Boko.
The patrol program I'm here na me basu.
Who was so my you?
The can say. And this for no more see on no kase. Come here do no kase de do. The Ghana no be the drama can be scared and so am ma ke ti ada. Oda say mo pani on so ba be biama o the whole Ghana. The dia go school free in back am you ko bi. Na un pay na pay. I want this in over state. Ghana we still remember see how you have Ghana was you. Nim Ghana was in my abaya or no stay or Obeba or so you biama the whole Ghana. Dia nya so far so. And ya pay of course see that and the Baba fans. They me again Ghana was you. You mean ko. You me ti be me ko. Na me ko ro na e ba so be ko ma me. Abaya obese aye di biama be say dia me man me me do bi say na e be so ba na me hia no. And NDC the Oba or Oba be say rap.
ya na do maye no oba be tero na fia the then is go come do omo zo omo so ya na phone so omo sin to ba mo le say ewu o da say yes say ewu come the buy kwa be am pani be o da say ka ni ta ka ni ko be fa to ga na say adan na mo tu futu oguni pa ni sa mo tu futu oguni pa ni abrabo am na do abo no mo ba be tero enye ada say ye fe ma ko ti wori mi wo kwa mi ko ti be kwa mi
Akwasi.
then you to me akwasi be ko ti be kwa mi ha
Last caller, Emra. Yes, sorry. I'm waiting for my last caller. 0202668461. I have 4 minutes. Pay. Last caller. Good morning. Hello, last caller.
Oh, Diane. Hey, Regan, I'm Poco. Diane. Yeah, Papa, Mama, you go about that no, baby. You become another man or two. And this is. You say, people were or no about 4 years, it's me, it's me, fine. Now, I pay any other and some for my engine. Me, you know, I'm just you. We are coming to do one another day. I'm coming to do won't come you. Because again, I'm a man in the moody travel. We be there now. We record. No, we have to do record. But it's there. You need to. Mama open baby now. O got to go pay you or no dinner. You need to see new money program. I mean, sure that.
That means Shaw was to make a call via a Kennedy for 1 minute.
That's it. Na me papa me chane e pedro. Ben Asante. Ha ni dino na me nya no kwaje me mistake with David na kwaye. David Asante so no so ka ya kwa fo. Enti ewura Ben Asante e chia ne bona ba so no dwuma dia wodi boa communication directorate no Ashanti Radio. Dan ba bi edu no die. Ye na nya sa sebe questions sa we be ye ano ye hwan. Ba bi edu no say ye kan Ghana fo. Die ya ye. You Ghana phone him say ya bobo say yes e true. Na you Ghana phone so nim say ye ni aban ya ba ensi Ghana ha. Ye ye kwai over 12,000 kilometers. E wa ha. E kwan papa o. Asphalt. Na ye wana me announce so da say me krom kubawu. From Afidiase drive edwoso sa bisi raso ye benya asphalt road. What I say? And na Ghana for na show. Na nye de ebeto bedran mantua atosa bia ayampia sa kind of Joes no
Yeah, make kire omo ye omo bisa se Mahama be ye dem
24 hours.
Eto de bia ya obi bisa sa question na. Ya na me pese me ka sem bi kire no. Constitution na e de boy e ho bra no. Ya o ma president be how many years? I am bisa asem.
4 years.
No, constitution and money pa how many years?
4 years.
Every president be a constitution is already 4 years.
I don't know what you be paying
Kennedy. Oh, onya 1 minute no ka some ye. Thank you. Constitution in my president be a 4 years. Oh yeah, or person ba no abasa beba we need election every 4 years. It's more giant question bisa. Your unintelligent question. No, T. Me can say unintelligent question. Me nua say, would you 54%? Emaniema boy ye din. Ema petrol boko so. Ni bisa o say aden na wo ye yes a wo si o da bi ma bisa misa. Bisa me nia me ye e ba fom. Ye ntia e ba fom ni say. Enye bibia na wo ye wo. Untua wo ka. Omo wo di omuka wa monani. Omo mo di omuka wa Ghana. You are not paying your dollars. You are not paying anything. It mean you make catch Ghana ni bia me say. Wo hwa was sitting mu a sitting a wo mu no. Eyema wa. Koto abama ba wood ba omia. But so we hwa was sitting no mu na wo fu say enye ye ma wa. Ni pa ocho ko na koto abama John Dramani Mahama. Okọ ahwehwe umbrella no e na enya e. Na to abama John Dramani Mahama.
The position of Barrow to me. First community communication team member for the NDC. Can you